RC cars in 2026 are not what you think they are. The machines on this list hit speeds that most people won't believe until they see the footage. One of them runs through water. One of them rights itself after a rollover with the press of a button. And the number one pick, a car the RC community keeps calling the best dollar-for-dollar RC car you can buy right now, costs almost half of what you'd expect it to. But here's the real problem most people run into. The market is absolutely flooded with outdated listings, discontinued versions, and older generation models still being sold as if they're current. You buy the wrong one, you lose money and you lose time. So I went deep. Manufacturer specs, community forums, verified buyer feedback, independent reviewer test data, everything was cross-checked before this list was finalized. On every single car you're about to see is available right now, fully updated for 2026, and ranked from solid to straight-up elite. We're counting down from number 6 to number 1. Stay through to the end. The number 1 pick is genuinely going to catch you off guard, and every car on this list has its purchase link sitting in the description below. Let's get into it. Starting the countdown at number 6, the Redcat Racing Blackout XTE Pro. If your budget sits between $180 and $220 and you want a real hobby-grade brushless RC truck, not a toy, not something that calls itself hobby-grade without the parts to back it up, this is where the conversation has to start. The Blackout XTE Pro runs a 3,800 kV brushless motor paired with a 4WD shaft-driven drivetrain. That motor brings this 1/10 scale monster truck to around 35 miles per hour right out of the box. What makes the deal here is that it comes with a 7.4-volt LiPo battery and charger already included. At this price point, that is a genuinely big deal. Most competitors at this range force you to buy those separately, which quietly pushes your actual cost $60 or $70 higher before you even power the thing on for the first time. 4 oil-filled coilover shocks handle terrain, and the waterproof electronics keep it running through wet grass, puddles, and damp conditions. Redcat specifically designed the front-to-rear components to be as uniform as possible, which means fewer unique replacement parts when you inevitably crash it hard, and you will. The simpler design also makes repairs straightforward for a first-time hobbyist who's never worked on an RC vehicle before. Number 6 on this list, but for someone stepping into the hobby for the first time with a limited budget, this is exactly the right machine to start on. Number 5 is a completely different discipline, the Axial SCX10 III Coyote, the best rock crawler you can buy in 2026 at this price range. Axial released the Coyote in September 2025, and it hit the community hard in the best possible way. This is a 1/10 scale ready-to-run crawler built on a one-piece steel C-channel chassis. That single-piece design reduces frame flex directly, which means your suspension moves with precision instead of losing energy through a chassis that bends under stress. The AR-45 portal axles provide extra ground clearance at the differential, noticeably more than most stock crawlers at this price, which matters enormously when you're picking a line over rocks or ledges. The LCXU transmission packs all metal internal gears, full ball bearings, and overdrive gears in the front axle. Oil-filled coilover shocks sit on adjustable towers with multiple mounting positions so you can tune the geometry for different terrain types. The Spectrum SLT3 radio has a built-in throttle limiter, 50% and 75% options, which is a genuinely useful feature for anyone learning crawling for the first time. One verified buyer on a major hobby retailer described it bluntly: this thing outperformed their purpose-built crawlers straight out of the box. At $280 to $300, the Coyote gives you competition-capable hardware in a ready-to-run package. For trail crawling enthusiasts, this is the clear pick in 2026. Number 4 is where we switch lanes entirely. The MST RMX 2.5 RTR is the best RC drift car available right now. And if you've never considered drift RC, hear this out. Most RC cars labeled as drift cars are just touring car platforms that someone fitted with hard tires and called a day. The MST RMX 2.5 is not that. MST builds their drift chassis from scratch, specifically engineered for drifting from the ground up. The RMX 2.5 RTR uses a rear-wheel drive layout with weight distribution tuned specifically for predictable, controlled slides. Predictable is the key word, because a chassis that snaps unpredictably doesn't teach you anything and stops being fun within a few sessions. It arrives fully assembled and ready to drift. No configuration required. Adjustable suspension geometry, adjustable toe angles, and a modular electronics tray give you genuine tuning options as your skill level advances. The aftermarket parts ecosystem for the RMX 2.5 platform is strong, so you're not stuck with the stock setup long-term. RC drifting is growing fast across the USA, with dedicated drift tracks and community events showing up in more cities every year. If that world interests you at all, the MST RMX 2.5 RTR is the right starting point, a purpose-built machine that won't fight you while you're trying to learn. We're halfway through the list, and we haven't even touched the real heavy hitters yet. Keep watching, because number 1 does something that nobody at this price point should be able to do. Number 3, the Traxxas Slash 4x4 VXL. This is the platform that has defined the short course truck category in the RC world for years, and the 2026 version still earns its spot on every serious list. The Valinian VXL 3S electronic speed control paired with the 3,500 kV brushless motor pushes this 1/10 scale truck past 60 miles per hour with a 3S LiPo battery. Every component in the electronics package is waterproof. Rain, mud, puddles, wet grass, nothing stops it. Traxxas Stability Management sits inside the TQI 2.4 GHz radio and works automatically to prevent loss of control on loose dirt, smooth concrete, and slick surfaces. What current production models of the Slash 4x4 VXL ship with out-of-the-box is significant. The Extreme Heavy Duty Upgrade Kit is factory installed. That means HD suspension arms, steel wheel hexes, and max duty drive shafts with reinforced U-joints. The modular chassis breaks down into a front section with 5 screws and a rear section with 4. Full maintenance access in under a minute. The 12.75-inch wheelbase, long-arm suspension, and oil-filled ultrashocks give the Slash genuine stability on dirt tracks, gravel, pavement, and grass. The Traxxas community is one of the largest in RC. Parts are widely available, tuning documentation is deep, and aftermarket upgrade paths are extensive. At $400 to $420, this truck works everywhere, handles well everywhere, and has the support structure to last for years. Number 2 is not just an RC car. The Traxxas X-Maxx 8S is a different category of machine entirely. This is a 1/6 scale monster truck running on dual 4S LiPo batteries, 30 volts of combined power, with the Valinian 1200XL big block brushless motor driving it. Top speed is 50 miles per hour. This truck weighs nearly 20 pounds, stretches almost 30 inches long, and rides on 8-inch belted sledgehammer tires. Belted matters here. Standard large-scale tires balloon at high speed and fail. The sledgehammer tires hold their shape, maintain traction, and give you responsive handling even when this thing is wide open. The all-metal 8S drivetrain uses hardened steel bevel gears, the proprietary Cush drive system to absorb drivetrain shock, and the torque biasing center drive for better power distribution across all 4 wheels. GTX aluminum-bodied shocks with X-ring seals handle more than 4 inches of suspension travel on every corner. And every electronic component is waterproof. The self-righting system changes the experience completely. The truck rolls over mid-jump, you press a button, it flips back onto its wheels without you leaving your spot. Real-time telemetry through the Traxxas Link app pushes speed, RPM, battery voltage, and temperature data live while you drive. Verified buyers with extensive RC collections across ARRMA, Losi, and team-associated vehicles consistently rate the X-Maxx 8S as the best monster truck they've owned. Multiple reviews on major hobby retailers call it flat-out the greatest RC monster truck available. At around $1,000 before batteries, it's a serious investment, but nothing in this size range competes with it. And the number 1 best RC car for 2026 is the ARRMA Typhon 6 BLX V5, a $500 car sitting above a $1,000 machine. Here's exactly why. The Typhon 6 SV5 is a 1/8 scale 4WD speed buggy built around the Spectrum, Firma 150A Smart ESC, and the Firma 4074 2050 kV brushless motor. On 6S LiPo, with the optional speed pinion gear, it pushes past 70 miles per hour. That number is verified, not a spec sheet projection, but a real-world result that the RC community has confirmed repeatedly across pavement, packed dirt, and open terrain. The V5 revision brought a wider rear chassis section with 3D formed aluminum plate areas that lock in extra rigidity where the previous version showed flex under stress. The Spectrum S652 digital servo is 32% stronger and 5% faster than the servo it replaced. 16mm oil-filled aluminum shocks sit on black anodized towers with aluminum caps and protective boots. Steel drive shafts, all-metal diff-out drives, and steel gearbox internals are built for repetitive abuse. What makes this the #1 pick isn't just the speed. It's what the RC community says this car can actually do. Verified owners across major retailers describe it handling jumps, dirt bashing, on-road speed runs, and track racing equally well. One owner put it simply, "You don't need to upgrade anything out of the box. It works." Another described it as their favorite RC car out of a collection that includes machines from Traxxas, Losi, and other top-tier brands. The Spectrum SLT3 radio has a 3-channel setup with throttle limiting at 50% and 75%, which means a complete beginner can learn on this machine and a seasoned driver can open it all the way up without anything in between. The 2-year limited warranty backed by Horizon Hobby is the strongest standard warranty on this list. The RC community's phrase for the Typhon 6S is not hyperbole. It genuinely earns the title of best RC car for the dollar. More speed, more durability, more versatility, and more community confidence than anything else at this price in 2026. That is why it's #1. That's the complete list. All 6 products, every budget covered from $180 to $1,000. Every major style from crawling to drifting to all-out speed. Every link is in the description below. Grab whichever one fits your style and budget. If this helped you cut through the noise and find the right car, drop a like and subscribe for more breakdowns exactly like this. We'll see you in the next one.